You won't believe this. This channel was created on August 13th, 2023 and has gained 90,000 new subscribers. It's truly amazing.
Reading or cinema.
The exciting news is that creating this type of content is surprisingly easy. Take, for example, the video asking whether you'd rather read or go to the cinema. It's simple, yet it makes the viewer respond and leave comments, which keeps them watching till the end. Creating content like this is extremely easy and effective. Now, let's start the video and watch it all the way through so you don't miss anything. First, use this prompt in the description below to generate your table in ChatGPT. Follow these steps if you want to create a video like the one you saw on this channel. Go to canva.com and choose video, then mobile video. Click in the middle of the page and press the R key to create a rectangle. Move it to the middle of the page and change its color to pink. Create another rectangle by pressing the R key. Place it below the pink rectangle and make it take up the rest of the page. Then choose the color blue. Create another rectangle by pressing the R key. Place it in the middle of the page and make it black. Press the R key again to create a rectangle. Change it into a circle by clicking on the shape and selecting circle, then make it smaller and place it in the middle. Go to text and choose add a heading, then type OR and put the text in the center of the circle. Change the text color to white, change the font to chiffon, and make the text size 70. Go back to the text and select add a heading again. Place it below the circle and type coffee, then go to animate and choose typewriter. Next, go to Effect and select Outline, change the color to black, and finally change the font to chiffon. After that, click on Duplicate and place it below Coffee, change the text to tea. Click on Or, go to Animate and choose Pop, then go down and select Pulse to make it move in this way. Follow the same method to add fictional percentages for coffee and tea. Right-click and select Show Timing to set specific times for when we want things to appear and disappear. Just follow the same steps I'm doing. I changed the display time for coffee to about 0.4 seconds, and for tea to about 1.3 seconds, so that coffee appears first and then tea. To change the timing for anything on the page, just click on it and adjust the timing. We'll hide coffee when the time reaches 5.5 seconds, and the same for tea. As for the percentage, we'll start showing it while hiding coffee and tea. Put the cursor on the coffee disappearance and make the percentage start appearing at that time. Great. Now let's add some sound effects. We'll use the alarm clock sound like an egg timer to get the tick-tock sound effect. Make it start when coffee and tea are fully displayed and end when those words finish. At this point, when the results appear, add a sound effect called bell ding. After that, we'll move the percentages on top of the words so that when the words disappear, the percentages appear in their place. Add the sound effect. When coffee and tea appear, use whoosh and sync it with the appearance of the words. Great job. Now let's add the table and create multiple pages automatically. To do this, go to the app, then search for bulk. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the entire table. Then return to Canva. Click on bulk creation, select enter data manually, scroll down, click clear table, and then paste the table. Finally, click done. Now be careful when linking the words to the table. Zoom in on the image to avoid any mistakes. Make sure you select coffee, right-click, and connect data to link it to Thing 1. Do the same for tea and its respective percentage. After finishing, click Continue and then Generate. Canva will create 30 pages based on the table. You will need to manually add sound effects to each page. Now let's add images. For more visual appeal, go to Elements and type the name of the first option, Coffee. I chose this image and placed it above the word coffee, then resized it a bit. Next, add the image you like below the word tea. Now we'll make each image appear according to the relevant word. The coffee image will appear when coffee is displayed, and the tea image will appear when the tea is displayed. After that, add animation. I chose fade as it seemed suitable for both images. Finally, change the color of the higher percentage to green, and if you want, change the color of the lower percentage to red. Now let's add audio. To make the video more engaging, go to taskmaker.com and type the names of the items, coffee or tea. Select the voice you prefer,
Coffee or tea?
complete the capture and click Convert Coffee or Tea. Download the file and add it to Canva. Then place it at the beginning of each word, like coffee. Now I will stop here, but you will have to add images and sound effects for all 30 pages manually. And finally, download the video by going to Share.
Coffee or tea?